So this direction looks bad, but at the very end here I see a hole, and I try to get over there. So heading down to the south.
Beach Tower, Skyflight 202, approximately 13 miles to the southwest with hotel in for a full stop.
Skyflight 202, Vero Beach Tower, make straight in, runway 12 right.
Straight in for 12 right, Skyflight 202. Vero Beach Tower, November 184, Charlie Foxtrot, 10 west, inbound full stop hotel.
Number 87 Victor, I had some wildlife on the runway. You can enter a left base runway 9er, thank you.
Going left base, runway 9 87 Victor.
Number 987 Victor, runway 9er, clear to land, wind 11016, gust 19er.
Runway 9er, clear to land, 87 Victor.
Number 723 Kilo Juliet, change to my frequency 124.15.
124.15, 3 Kilo Juliet.
So I order now Uber, and now after that I will get my rental car. Let's go to the hotel. Show you how this bed come down. Welcome in Fort Lauderdale Beach. Okay guys, I'm in the Dollar Tree, which kind of look a bit messy, but it has everything. So when you don't know the price, here's a machine which actually you can scan, then you know what it costs.